Hey guys, having an enlarged prostate is no laughing matter. I usually refer to it as the dodgy prostate. Just that whole notion of never quite being able to finish having a pee. There's always a bit more which hangs around. That getting up frequently during the night, or the burning urination. It's no jokes, it's no laughing matters. These things impact your life. And I arrived at a point by 60 where it was affecting my life considerably. But as a consequence of a few things, as aftermath of some surgery where everything got worse, and then unrelated surgery, and then a visit to a specialist, an MRI, I decided to take action, utilising all the processes I use to help people in other areas such as smoking and weight loss, and pain, and anxiety. And I created a protocol that works very, very well for enlarged prostate. Now I have to say that you do need to be tested. You do need to find out if it's simply benign. You have to eradicate any possibility of cancer. This came about from a specialist telling me, well, somewhere between 24 and 33% of people respond to sugar pills in studies. And I thought that's a very high response. Why don't we just create that response? Why don't we double that response? Through natural means, through directing your unconscious mind to reduce your prostate, through using conscious strategies to increase that urinary flow. It can be done. If you'd like to know more about this, you can go to iannewton.com. And if you'd like some help, I see clients in person on the Sunshine Coast or via Skype anywhere in the world. You don't have to suffer. You don't have to put up with this. Now, I'm not going to lie to you and say I can fix this 100% in 10 days. That's not going to happen. We both know that. But what I know is, in my 30-day trials, there are very, very good results. Results that make the difference between struggling with this and having a better life. Thank you. I'm Ian Newton.